This tomato sauce is better than anything you'll find in a jar at the store, and it's ready for winter in 1 hour. 1 large onion per kilo of tomatoes. Sauté it in a little oil until it turns soft and golden. 4 cloves of garlic per kilo, just enough to soften and release their flavour. Don't let it brown, or it turns bitter. In go the peeled tomatoes, stir it all together and let it simmer for 20 minutes until everything breaks down. Once it's fully cooked down, add 6 grams of salt per kilo of tomatoes, then celeriac leaf and fresh basil go in. Simmer for another 10 minutes to let those herbs work their way into the sauce. Blend it smooth. This is where it turns from chunky tomatoes into an actual sauce. Back onto the heat for 10 more minutes, stirring so it doesn't catch on the bottom. This last simmer is what thickens it properly. Pack it into jars while it's hot and seal the lids tight. Place the jars in a pot of cold water, bring it to a boil, then let it simmer gently for 20 minutes. Let them cool completely, and unopened, this sauce keeps on the shelf for a full year. Fast forward to winter and dinner's ready in 10 minutes. Olive oil in the pan, pour in the sauce and let it warm through. A splash of pasta water loosens it up and helps it cling to the noodles. Toss in your cooked pasta and mix it all together. Finish with a handful of grated parmesan. Ready in 10 minutes. Better than any store-bought pasta sauce. Though I know real Italians would crucify me for putting a jarred sauce on my pasta at all. Subscribe for more recipes like this, and check out Farm Diaries, where no shortcuts happen either, from seed to table.